Naglaba si Aling Rosa ng mga damit. Si Aling Rosa ay naglaba ng mga damit. This means Aling Rosa washed clothes. Laba means wash, and then damit is cloth, and then mga damit, mga is the plural marker, so mga damit means clothes. Kumanta ang mga ibon sa sanga. Ang mga ibon sa sanga ay kumanta. This means that the bird sang on the branch. So kanta means like sing, and then an ibon is a bird, and then a sanga is a branch. Bumisita ang mga kaibigan ko sa bahay. Ang mga kaibigan ko ay bumisita sa bahay. It means my friends visited the house. When we say bisita, that means to visit. And then a kaibigan is a friend and bahay is a house. Nag-aral ang mga estudyante ng matematika. Ang mga estudyante ay nag-aral ng matematika. That means the students studied mathematics. Aral means study, estudyante is a student, and matematika is mathematics. Sumakay ang mga pasahero sa bus or sa bus. I think bus. Ang mga pasahero ay sumakay sa bus. The sakay means to get on, and then a pasahero is a passenger, and then a bus is a bus. So the passengers rode the bus. Nagluto si Chef Tony ng masarap na pagkain. Si Chef Tony ay nagluto ng masarap na pagkain. That means, luto means cook, and then masarap is delicious, masarap, and then pagkain is food. So it means Chef Tony cooked delicious food. Tumakbo ang aso sa kalye, or ang aso ay tumakbo sa kalye. When we say takbo, that means run, and then an aso is a dog, and then a kalye is the street. So the dog ran in the street. Nagsulat ang author ng bagong libro, or ang author ay nagsulat ng bagong libro. Or instead of author, you can say manunulat. Manunulat, that's a writer or author. So when we say sulat, that means write, and then an author or a manunulat is an author. And when we say libro, that's a book. And then bago is new. So the author wrote a new book. Uminom ang mga bata ng gatas. Ang mga bata ay uminom ng gatas. When we say inom, that means drink. A bata is a child, so the plural marker mga is added to mean children. And then gatas is milk. So it means the children drank milk. Natulog ang sanggol sa kuna, or ang sanggol ay natulog sa kuna. Tulog means sleep. A sanggol is baby, and then a kuna is a crib. So it means the baby slept in the crib. Nakita ko ang bahaghari sa langit. Ang bahaghari ay nakita ko sa langit. When we say kita, that means to see. And then a bahaghari is a rainbow. And then langit, it refers to the sky. So I saw the rainbow in the sky. Narinig namin ang sirena ng ambulansya. Ang sirena ng ambulansya ay narinig namin. That means we heard the ambulance siren. So rinig means heard, or be able to, can be heard in a way. And then a sirena is like a siren, and then an ambulansya is an ambulance. Binili niya ang bagong cellphone. Ang bagong cellphone ay binili niya. When we say binili, bili is the root word, means to buy. And then a cellphone is a cell phone. And then bago means new. So a new cell phone, he or she bought a new cell phone, because when we say niya is gender neutral. So it's either a he or a she. Kinain nila ang mga prutas. Ang mga prutas ay kinain nila. Kinain, like past tense, the root word is kain, ate, and then nila is they, And then prutas is fruit. So the plural marker mga makes it plural fruits. So it means they ate the fruits. Nilinis ko ang kwarto ko. Ang kwarto ko ay nilinis ko. Linis means to clean, and then a kwarto is a room. So it means I cleaned my room. Pupunta sila sa probinsya bukas. Sila ay pupunta sa probinsya bukas. That means they will go to the province tomorrow. So pupunta is will go, sila is they, and then a probinsya is the province, and then bukas means tomorrow. Naglalaro sila ng basketball. Or you can also say sila ay naglalaro ng basketball. Laro means play, to play, naglalaro, that's present tense. Sila is they, and then basketball is basketball, so it means they are playing basketball. Nanalo ang atleta sa kompetisyon, or ang atleta ay nanalo sa kompetisyon. Nanalo is past tense, so it means won, panalo, and then an atleta is an athlete, and then a competition is a competition. So the athlete won the competition. Tumubo ang mga bulaklak sa bakuran, or ang mga bulaklak ay tumubo sa bakuran. So when you say tubo, that means grow. Tumubo is past tense, so grew. And then bulaklak is a flower, mga bulaklak flowers, and then a bakuran is the yard. So the flowers grew in the yard. Nawala ang wallet niya. Ang wallet niya ay nawala. So nawala means lost. And then a wallet is a wallet. Or you can also say pitaka. The Filipino word for this is pitaka. Niya is his or her. So it means he or she lost his or her wallet.